good morning. Wash his uniform. Goodbye, my son. Wait, hold on. Scoot back. And then we got Tolly, Lily, Gigi. It looks like Gigi's the only one that's complete. All right, we're in LA and we're going into Ace's football tournament. So I just finished packing my bag. I've got some shorts and some skirts and some t-shirts. I got this hat at Costco recently for 10 bucks and I'm loving it. And I just got some new Adidas, so I gotta make sure I pack those. Still finishing up a couple loads of laundry. Where did this come from? Random things you find in kids' pockets. Baby Tizeo, Natalia, Gigi, Lily, Avea, and Ace. I need to remember to wash his uniform. He's watching TV. Just chilling?
Yeah.
Well, you better chill while you can before we gotta go on our adventure.
Yep, it's a long ride.
Keep a cool beach bag separate. I have a sports bag, which I'll show you in a little bit, but this is everything that we need for the beach. 2 sets of bathing suits. The girls have cover-ups, beach towels, guard type of things, and then we also have some of these Shein bags that I put all the wet things in. Is that right?
Yep, that's right.
Oh my God. I make sure I return these today. Put them right by the door. I decided not to bring a stroller on this trip because we didn't use it the last one, so I'm gonna bring my Tush baby, which I can carry him if I need to, or we're walking around the tournament or the beach. And then here is my bog bag. It has everything that I need. First aid kit, sunblocks, an extra hat, sunglasses. I've got a mini hydration electrolyte cleaning kit, some wet wipes, emergencies, liquid IV, electrolyte supplement type stuff. Of course, I said sunblock, various different kinds. We got roll-on, we got misting for the face. We've got this one. I got an emergency, mini emergency kit. This come in so handy, especially with the Aleve. The parents ask for the Aleve all the time. I'm gonna put a snack box and then our water bottles here. And then it also has a slit for my phone, which is really cool. And then we're gonna be bringing a cooler. Oh, this is the baby's day bag, day diaper bag, every day in the car diaper bag. And then we're gonna be bringing a cooler with some condiments and foods that I wanna keep refrigerated to bring to the Airbnb and the hotel. We're doing both this trip. And I also bring back extra food in this. We also keep a small cooler in the car for cool drinks or snacks or sandwiches that we're gonna eat in the car for the road trip. And then this is also what I take to the field because we need ice packs in case someone gets hurt and drinks for the field. So I'm putting this here because I still gotta fill the cooler. I'm not putting that by the door until it's time to go. Good morning, everyone. It's a travel day for our family. Ed is at work. I'm solo with the kids, just wrapping things up. I only have about 45 minutes to gather as much as I can. I gotta grab Ace's phone real quick because I've gotta take him to, is this his phone? Here's his phone. Look how cute his case is. We're going to a football tournament for him and he's going a little bit early to pick up. Good morning, girls.
Good morning.
Good morning. He's going early to get his hair cut because last minute I forgot about it. I need to grab him a sweatshirt from his room real quick. And he's gonna get a haircut. I'm getting off track. And then he's gonna go with his coach because if we take him, I need a sweatshirt for him. Man, I swear, after this, I need to revamp his wardrobe because this boy is growing. I just need a zip up. Easy for him after his haircut. Does this fit him? Yeah, this should be okay. All right, so we're gonna get his haircut and then he's gonna go with his coach to drive to LA because if he goes with us, we're going to be late. They have to check in. They have to check in at 5 o'clock and I'm not sure if we're gonna make it by 5. We'll probably be closer to 6. So he's gonna go with his coach to make sure that he makes check-in. I got his headphones charged so he doesn't bother the coach in the car. Got his phone so I can track him. headphones, sweatshirts. I had him take a shower, wash his hair. It was like pulling teeth. Where's his toothbrush? Toothbrush, deodorant, toothpaste. Wow, okay, good job. I'm gonna put it in a Ziploc. Gigi, can you help me, or Bea? Can you just put his toiletries in a Ziploc real quick?
Where's the paper?
I don't know.
Toilet paper.
Toilet paper? No, that's socks.
Oh.
Just put these in there for me really quick just so we can keep it together and then put it back in and then we're, yes.
Can you help me about Kaya's stuff to put in?
Yes, okay. Let's do Kaya. I have 35 minutes to prepare everything that we need, get Kaya ready, everything, and get everything by the door before I have to take him to haircut and then with his coach. And then we'll come back and then we'll pack the car, okay? We're pretty much packed. We're pretty much packed. We just, you know, have, you know, the fine tunes, like grabbing chargers out of the wall, grabbing toothbrushes, things like that. Okay, what you girls can do is is the dishwasher full? Do that so that I can put the dirty dishes in the dishwasher so that we can give Kaya a bath in the sink.
They're dirty, and it still has a lot of room.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's load the dishwasher up, please. And then run it. And then I will wash Kaya in the sink and do her nails. And then you can gather her food, all that stuff. Okay, go team, go team, go. Are you ready to go? No? Okay, you got all your stuff?
Yeah.
Are you gonna pack it? Look how cute this bag is. I got this at Burlington. I could not pass it up. It's like a little men's satchel. Actually, it's probably for a woman, but who cares? He can use it for his trucks and his toys to, like, you know, in the car or travel with. Where's your Lightning McQueen stuff? Let's find that. Let's find Lightning and Mater. Okay. Okay, you ready to go? Toothbrush.
Check.
Okay, put it by the door, please. What shoes are you going to be wearing?
Mine.
I think you should bring one pair of shoes and one pair of Crocs for the beach. Okay, so line up the one pair of shoes you're gonna bring and your Crocs here, okay? All right, thank you. We gotta return those on the way out.
Mommy,
Wait, hold on. Scoot back. Okay, we are actually at Carl's Jr. It's across the street from where Ace gets his haircut. I'm taking him in to get a haircut really fast before we meet his coach so that he can, hey. So hold on. So I'm using it as a tripod. We'll talk later. This barbershop is so cool. All right, let me see the side. Looking fresh, getting ready for this tournament. Let me see your hair. Okay, say goodbye to Bro. He's gonna go with Coach and Nolan. Say goodbye.
Give me a hug. Give me a kiss.
Aww. Goodbye, my son. Be good, behave. I love you. I love you. Hey, I said I love you. I love you. Be good. Behave. All right, 1 out of 6 sent off. Just kidding, I'm not sending my other 5 off. They're coming with me. We've got a baby boy here. I just gotta add some flip-flops. This is how I know that the kids have brought everything that they need to bring down. I verified that everything we need is in the bags. So girls, are you gonna get your blankets? Now's the time. Let's go. We're about to pack up the car. So baby boys, shoes, and bag. And then we've got Tolly, Lily, Gigi. It looks like Gigi's the only one that's complete. What is wrong with my door? Oh my goodness. Gigi's the only one that's complete. She even has her head wrap and her lip gloss. And then Vea needs shoes. Whose shoes are these? Are these mine? No, those are hers. Okay. All right, so we got them. And then we got Mama, swim bag, some things I need to add to my bag. What else do we have going on here? Baby boy's just taking a nap real quick so that he can get a good rest in. What we have in the kitchen is I'm gonna bring a wagon, my sports bag, of course. This is Tezeo's daily diaper bag, and this is my toiletry bag. I brought it down here because we had to add like Aleve, Tylenol, pain meds, you know, Vaseline, things like that, because you just never know. And then this is our little thing for the car. What's it called? A little mini cooler with some drinks and snacks for the car. All right, let's get packed up. All right, we are in LA. Yay. We made it. It is the next day, and we're going into Ace's football tournament. Yay! Yay! Woo!